Hey friends, welcome back to part 3 of my Christmas clean and decorate with me and to another vlogmas. I am so excited to share my last decorate with me for the holidays, and today I am tackling my kitchen and dining area, and I did purchase a couple of items, but the majority are items I already had, and I will be showing you guys how I work with what I have and make the best of it. As a lot of you know, this is our first home and also the first time I truly decorate for Christmas. So I didn't want to go out and purchase a lot of decor for my kitchen and dining room just yet. And I mainly prioritized the living room this year. But I hope this video inspires you, and if you enjoy, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new here. And with all of that being said, let's get started.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that.
Alright guys, so to start off, I am using my new Buffalo Check table runner that I purchased at Hobby Lobby, and I absolutely love it, you guys, and I am obsessed with all things Buffalo Check. Let me know if you are loving this trend also down below in the comments. And as my centerpiece, I'm just going to be using this vase that I already had. I'm going to be filling it in with some pine cones and small ornaments. And then I have this burlap ribbon that I will be tying around it as well.
My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes
I decided to add some lamb's ear stems that I still had left over from my from decorating my living room, and I thought it was a little plain with just the ornaments, so I thought this gave it a little bit more depth and height to it. Then I added some of these berries also, and yeah, so I pretty much just winged it, and I do love how it turned out.
put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
Alright you guys, so I am moving on to my kitchen, and this was way later during the evening, but this is just real life, you guys. Our peninsula always seems to be a catch-all for everything. Let me know if you guys can relate. So I am just going to be cleaning this mess up real quick, and I will be decorating an area as I go, as you probably have noticed.
Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. It's cold outside, but the fire.
Alright guys, so I am going to be adding this Merry and Bright Buffalo Check sign along with this little ceramic tree, and then I will be adding several pine cones I had left over as well, which I really thought gave it a nice touch overall. And I also have my leaves candle right beside it, but I really do need to purchase some Christmas scents soon to make our home smell more like Christmas. I have been waiting for the Bath & Body Works sale to go and stock up on some. Let me know which ones you recommend down below if you have any at all.
Everything will be okay.
So now I'm just gonna be tackling these dishes, and I'm speeding it up super quick this time around, you guys, because I know you have seen me wash them a million times before. So I thought I would spare you guys the really long segment. So I was catching up on some videos from my girl Marie from Marie's Journal. I do love watching and supporting other YouTube mamas while I clean. It definitely makes the time go way faster. I have been using this Barkeeper's Friend soft cleaner for my sink recently, and I absolutely love it, you guys. I was using baking soda before I ran out, and I thought I would try something else for my sink. So I grabbed this, and it definitely leaves my sink super shiny afterwards. So if you have stainless steel, I definitely recommend it.
Happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you.
Alright guys, so I decided to use the backside of this decor piece I got from Target a while ago and some chalk to make it more festive and incorporate something else above my sink area, since I thought it was pretty bare. But I actually got this idea from my good friend Eleanor. Her channel name is Eleanor Nunez. She did this in one of her fall decorating videos, and I wanted to give it a try here. So thank you so much, girl. I'm not the best at handwriting in chalk, but I definitely love how it turned out.
For you and me.
So now I'm going to be adding this letterboard and adding a fun Christmas quote on here. I thought it'd be a fun and different way to add more decor here, since I didn't have a lot to work with. And I will probably switch the quotes out every week or so up until Christmas.
It will always be Christmas in my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times.
Alright guys, so this tree I have had for years, and I honestly don't remember where I bought it at. And the ceramic house was from the Target dollar spot a couple of months ago, but I decided to add the rest of the berries I still had left over to this tree just to give it something extra. I got this idea from Meg from Love Meg. She did something similar in one of her decorating videos to a bigger tree, and I thought it made a huge difference. I definitely love how it turned out. All I did was literally stick them in there, and it looks so much better. It just gave it something extra.
And you and me, doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
So I have been using this Wayman stainless steel cleaner and polish lately, and I do love how polished my stainless steel looks when I clean it, but I do need to test it out more to see if it lasts long, and I will let you guys know what I think about it after a couple of more tries. I like to polish my stainless steel once or twice a week, so that's what I'm doing right now, and we are almost done, guys.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a the present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas.
Alright guys, that is going to be it for my clean and decorate with me for Christmas. I hope you got inspired and got some ideas of how to decorate with what you have. I know for my husband and I, we had very minimal Christmas decor before this year, and we never had the space for a lot of decor, so we are just starting out and we didn't want to go over budget, and we just spent what we could. So you definitely don't need to spend a ton of money to decorate your home for the holidays. Leave me a Christmas tree emoji down below if you made it this far. I love seeing who is watching my videos fully because it really does help out my channel, and I appreciate all of your support. So don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed, subscribe if you are new, and turn on your bell notification for more Vlogmas videos coming up. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.